Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country and you join me here today at Heath Terrace, a stunning and generously proportioned 5-bedroom townhouse, just a short walk into the town centre. Let's take a look inside. Join me in a beautiful garden of this fantastic property where we've got rear access and a garage, and you access the garden from this amazing kitchen, dining, living area. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.